Oh, look at that.
I wish we could have got
Wiggle, wiggle.
Guys, I'm actually scared with this video. Okay, so we've just got done filming a video for Mad's channel, which was entertaining, and now we're all quite tipsy. It's you actually that always talks to me about him.
I was like, look, get on the dating app.
Today, Mads and Rach are going to be creating me I think we're doing a Tinder and a Hinge, aren't we?
I do love other dating apps. I love Bumble and stuff like that, but in terms of this video, these apps work the best, I think. I'm going to take it very seriously on Hinge, because Hinge, actually, out of all of them, I feel like it's deemed the most, like, you go on Hinge if you want a relationship, you want to be serious, whatever. Tinder's known as the like hookup, no, take it seriously. Raya, if you're watching,
someone wants to accept us.
Raya, you just sit there and look pretty and we just tap away. I don't know.
Sound like the pictures of the fucking Northwest.
Northwest, where are you from?
Yeah, we're Northwest. Oh, no. It's the Wicked Witches of the West, usually.
The Westwick.
Westwick.
I don't know my left and right, so shut up. So me and Hans are gonna make...
How much have you drank? What did you say? Me and Hans. Oh, that would be our name. What if you ever want to call us both now? Just Hans.
Me and Mads are gonna make Hannah a dating profile each. We just gotta put a few details in. We'll be back for the juicy bits. Wait, the challenge began. Date of birth.
Yeah. 732.
Date of birth is...
Go on, what is it? What is it? Because you're October 6th, so you better know mine. Oh,
hang on, come on.
Real friendship test over here.
July.
I'd be concerned if you didn't know.
Oh my god.
You should know.
It's because we've just had Maddie's birthday and we're talking about my birthday. That no offense, I have just forgotten.
Yeah, it's a day aside from Mads. What's Mads' birthday? Rachel.
It was the 23rd of August.
Yeah.
And yours is the 22nd of July.
No, 24.
You went to a grammar school.
I'm a clever cookie.
Grammar.
You
want that to be
No, that's not how you spell grammar. It's
grammar. Grammar. Okay, create your profile.
Okay, I'm just making my way around Tinder.
Connect your Instagram. No, I don't want to connect your Instagram. Camera roll.
Oh my god, see, my Tinder's gonna have all my past probably conversations on it.
Okay, so
first thing I'm gonna do, so Han currently has it set between 21 and 28. I'm gonna bump that up a little bit.
I mean, when I was last on Tinder, I was probably like 20.
So we're gonna put it from 18.
I'm gonna give you like 4 pairs.
To 50.
Fucking hell.
Okay, so I've not put any like bad pictures. They're all really good pictures, so they lure the men in, and then they read about me and think, fucking hell, a YouTube sensation.
No. I've done your profile. I've done it. I've done all the questions. I've done it.
Okay, talk me through it.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna pause it.
Are we ready?
Sorry, I've lost the question down here.
So,
what's my first picture?
Okay, I feel like you need to look at it.
Okay.
So this is your profile.
Okay, I like that picture.
Okay, fine, but you scroll and you read things out. So this is on Hinge.
Scrolling through delivery, that is
a typical Sunday, scrolling through delivery.
I know I found the one when you quote friends before I do. That's so
I've used that on mine, and that's worked a fucking treat. Like everyone, like the people that quote. What if I told you
that I have the fattest ass out of my friends?
Yeah.
Need a bit of confidence in there somewhere. Imagine if someone replies to me like, that's a fucking lie.
Okay, so do you want to hear your profile? I'll start screen recording.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready to hear, I'm ready to know.
Okay, about me. It's just YouTube sensation.
Oh no.
That's it. Your passions are Love Island.
You have not read that?
Would you love it, Love Island?
You're a writer.
What?
And you really enjoy fishing.
You're gonna get the people called like Dale that are like me with me fucking about.
So job title, celebrity.
Oh, no.
You've had 9 likes already.
Show me the man.
Oh my god, God. We've got a match already.
My greatest strength, scrambled eggs. Oh,
Maybe Stephen.
maybe maybe Stephen. Yeah, Michael.
He's 24, he looks like 50.
Ryan. Typical Sunday, sitting and eating. That's what you do. My mantra is love many, hurt few, always paddle your own canoe. He's fine. What the fuck? Always paddle your own canoe. Jack, what's a Jack?
Oh, he's alright.
Okay.
No,
so,
wait.
Oh.
No, he's
Oh
not.
my
No,
god, he's
absolutely
literally
not.
2 foot nothing. Oh,
Yeah.
biggest risk I've ever taken, moving to Manchester in lockdown. Alright, Zaran. Let me chat you, Zaran.
Oh, he's alright.
He's 6'2". Oh, Hannah.
You can go.
Do you know what? You guys are like doing this for me. You've got to decide who I'm matching.
Okay, I'm gonna
I
give
can't
him a like.
Okay. Oh, come on. You both got to like message at least someone and get me chatting to someone.
Okay, I sent someone a like.
Okay, fine. If you only liked one person.
Yeah, because he said he liked roast dinners, something and something that all fits
I like
you.
roast dinner.
Yeah.
Oh.
Roast dinner.
I mean, if he opens his app. Oh.
Well, you got 5 likes. Hey, Jack. Okay, that says it all. 9. Is it him? If it's him, yummy. Wait to win me over. Feed me. Oh, it is him. Dog.
Let me see.
Feed me. Doggy. He's 6 foot.
Oh.
Has a good relationship clearly with his family. He's a rugby player.
I have a wife, but like most men, I'm up for a jolly time.
Excuse me.
Men are
Literally
trash.
are trash.
Everyone's just saying, what's your YouTube channel?
Oh, no.
And then you got a gorgeous you.
Why is he posing with a cabbage?
Oh my god.
Right.
Oh, sorry, it's a long fucking message.
I'm going to be honest, I'm a bit of a nerd. Oh my god, he's literally talking about having your children.
This guy's
That
playing
is
cards with
definitely
a cat.
copy
I
and
think
pasted.
that's more your thing.
That is, if it's a cat
Adam, me and my
involved,
best
that's
friend.
Yeah, that's fine, I can get on board with that.
You know what's really upsetting? Fit boys keep coming up and it's a Boohoo Man advert.
First round is on me if we have 20 rounds to follow. Someone with lip fillers is his most professional thing.
We got
Forget it.
Sorry, Mr. fucking Perfect.
Wait for the knees, 5, 6, 7. Where does it come? It's only
Quick dance break.
Got hips, I got a grip for. I like that. Oh, let's refresh money.
I forgot that I matched a couple of people. I matched with someone and he went hungover delivery on a Sunday ? And someone else, I liked his answer about Nintendo Wii Sports on a. He said he was overly competitive about it, and you said that you liked it.
I like a bit of Wii Sports.
So he went, bloody hell, let's play Wii Sports.
So far we've had a I know who you are.
Who?
Do you, Chris?
Who's that?
Chris.
Chris.
Let me see his picture. Oh, I don't know who you are.
Oh,
He
wow.
probably knows you from YouTube. He
It's,
wears a very long earring.
No.
Oh.
I mean, the outcome of this video is probably I'm not going to find
The outcome of this video is I'm actually sweating.
If this was a real profile, I would wifey you, but sadly it's not. Good effort though. Too bad, Alex, because this is the real
Actually,
deal.
it's a real
Let me see his
profile.
profile.
Why have you covered your face?
He's covered his face and everything, but he is a police officer.
Let's fucking